Good morning, everybody. We're here to rinse out another t-shirt for you. Wind is ripping today, folks. So sorry about any wind noise. I might even have to relocate to the other side to avoid overspray. It's really kicking today, people. We got a beautiful tie-dye on the rack. It did get a little bit wet last night. I'll tell you more about that when we get inside. To the inside. Got it inside now with some warm water. Gonna start getting it unbanded. Like I was saying outside, we had really bad weather last night. It actually blew the cover off of our tie-dye rack, and this shirt was on the very top, as you saw. So it got a little bit rinsed, a little bit thoroughly. But that's okay. Still gonna look cool. And luckily the one up under it was completely unharmed, it appears. But once the wind got strong enough to blow the cover off, this one took some pretty direct rain for a while. This was all at like 3 in the morning, so. Stuff happens.
It'll be okay.
Oh. They were already some lighter colors, so. It was already going to be somewhat pastel. What do you think?
I think it'll still turn out beautiful regardless. Because each shirt is like a work of art.
Of course. Ooh!
Cute.
Look at that.
Came out more of a bullseye, but
You got a little bit of fractally on there. It's in there. Need a little more fractal and it was alright. That's still pretty cool. Look at the back. Any spots in the back? Yeah, look at that. Pretty cool.
look, it's got these little like lines on the side right there.
Yeah, they look good.
Yeah.
Looks so good.
Still came out good.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Cool. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice shirt. Now, I will say, as you can see, it's quite pastel. And the reason being is that night, Saturday night, it was really bad weather here. Power went out, high winds, and it blew the cover off of our tie-dye rack. We have a plastic cover we stick over the top of it, and it actually blew it off. And so this was the shirt on top. It took quite a bit of direct hit from the rain, and it did wash a little bit of it out, but not too bad. You know, you still got some good gradient in there, and just made it a little more pastel. But overall, not a bad design. Not you know, not what we were after, but hey, that's tie-dyeing for you. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.